What's good? This is Noah from Highsnob, and this is day 2 of Paris Men's Fashion Week. We are currently at the infamous Louvre. As you can see, where Off-White is showing their newest fall-winter collection. Everyone's going inside. Once they come out, we're going to see what they thought of the show. Stay with me. So what did you think about the show?
Oh, great! Like, because he's waiting for tomorrow Louis Vuitton show, but this is not previous thing. Like,
Favorite piece?
yellow jacket and off something like a airbrush stroke. That piece was great, and also the new sneaker thing. Great.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Show is great, man. It's good to see Virgil kind of be in every single place at the same time. I don't know how he does it, but incredible things one after another.
What were your favorite pieces?
I really like this Gore-Tex jacket that looked like it was this yellow Gore jacket that was like spray painted. That was a standout piece for me, and I mean everything was really standout, but that was my personal favorite.
Thoughts on the show?
Oh man, beautiful. That's my first thought, and I like hearing the woo. That was a nice moment, and I guess Knucklehead's Twitter feed, just bringing, I think, a little politics into what's going on. That was very timely. Love the show. Yeah, beautiful. Diversity of, colors, skin tones. Very nice. Great show. Shout out to Virgil. He killed it.
Favorite piece?
Oh, the jacket offset was wearing was pretty cool.
That was fire. That was fire.
I thought it was really dope. It reminded me of the exit off the 101, the bridge. I really liked the usage of the NFL helmets. Overall, the music was dope. It was awesome. I didn't expect it to be as extravagant and awesome as it was. Congratulations, Virgil.
So what'd you think of the show?
That shit was fucking amazing. I think it was amazing. I think Virgil's amazing. Shout out to my West African Ghana brother. I think Paris is amazing, man. I'm having a good time.
Any favorite pieces?
Man, there was this one jacket. I can't call it, but I got it on my phone. Shit, if I knew the name of it, I'd tell you.
Show is amazing. I mean, Off-White has exploded. It's a huge brand right now. The production, the music, the set, everything was great. He really has evolved as a designer. It's not only about streetwear, it's about life, it's about a cultural context. He's definitely a great storyteller, and the messaging is great. He did a lot of tailored clothing, a lot of suits, a new vision for that. Some incredible cowboy boots that I'm sure are gonna sell out. Obviously the sneakers are great. Introduced new silhouettes, everything is baggy, a lot of reminiscence of 90s denim with super baggy jeans. It's really great, and women's wear is super cool, sexy, really into it.
All right, so what'd you think of the show?
I think it was way better than last season. Love you, Virgil, but this one was a hit. And I love the silver fringe boots. Super fun.
Nice. Thank you so much. Word, man. Well, thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Anytime, babe.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Ciao. Bonsoir. Bonjour.
Perfect.
Au revoir.
All that.